Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another video of today guys. In today's video I'm going to show you two advanced licks you're going to start learning as an intermediate guitarist. You want to become a professional, you want to play like a professional, you want to sound good like professionals. I'm going to show you these two licks so you keep practicing this, keep applying it in your improvisation, okay? Whether in church or any organization you might find yourself, just go ahead and see how you can figure it out, see how you can put it into your play. You're going to sound better and it's going to sound cool, okay? All right guys, so without wasting of time, I would like us to go straight to the video so you start learning it as soon as possible. But before then, I want you to hit on the comment section. Congratulations to me on my new Les Paul guitar. Wow, this is awesome. I know many of you want to buy a guitar like this, many of you want to have guitar like this. It's very possible, okay? With hard work you can get it. And I want to appreciate all of you that have been here with me for a while now, over 5 years now. We're still strong, doing very well on YouTube. Thank you guys for staying with me. I want to let you know that consistency pay, and it's been paying me for a while now, okay? This is very, very awesome, guys. This is very awesome. Just hit congratulations to me in the comment section. I'm going to appreciate, okay? Without wasting a bit of time, let's move straight to the video. But if you know that it's the first time you're coming across my video, do wait to hit on the subscribe button so you don't miss out videos like this, okay? If you like the video, smash the like button. If you have any challenges, hit on the comment section. I'm going to respond to you as soon as possible, okay? All right, let's move straight to the video once again. So we're going to be doing the lesson in the key of C. So it's the key of C. And I want to use the keys that will be more favorable for everyone of us, okay? So you can practice that and you can also learn that in other keys you might find yourself, okay? All right, so one of the licks I want to show you is something like a... It's very, very cool and awesome. So this particular lick, I'm actually taking it from the kind of a pentatonic scale. This is a pentatonic scale. Okay, in the key of C. If you start from this root on the third string, do, re, mi, sol, la, do, la, sol, mi, re, do, ti, la, sol, fa. So I likely take my licks from the pentatonic scale, I can add any note, either a diminished note or a major note, okay, to bring out a lick, a good licks, okay, for you guys. So what I played here was so I started on the mi as the third note. Mi, sol, la, do, ti. Slide to the T to bring out that harmonic tension, to bring out that harmonic sound, okay? So, mi, sol, la, do, ti. La, sol, mi, la, mi, mo, mi, ti. Okay? So once you just play la, mi, mo, mi, ti. But this mo, mi, to make it sound more organizing, you have to make a pull on there. Okay? So I played in another octave. This, you know, as a professional, as if you want to sound good, if you want to sound more better in your licks, in your playing, always make sure you play the high and low octave of every licks you play. That will give you a very good improvisation, a very good harmonic tone, okay, whenever you're soloing. So this is your do, re, mi, fa, do, re, mi, sol, la, do, la, sol, mi, re, do. So you have your mi here on the first string. so, la, do, ti. Okay. Okay. So that is the number one. Let's go to the number two. The number two is a bit hard, but as long as you keep practicing it, okay, it's gonna sound better. It's gonna sound cool in your playing, okay. So this is number two. It's very simple, but it's critical for you to play. Okay, now let me break it down. I started from the do, the la, sorry. La, ti, do. Okay. La, ti, do, mi, fa, sol. La, do, mi. Okay, very simple, but it sounds more harmonizing and cool. That lick's gonna go well when you are improvising like a la chord. Maybe you want to play some cool jazz section over your gig and any stuff, okay? You can just improvise on licks like that. Very simple and cool. Very nice and cool. So I started by playing la, ti, do, mi, fa, sol, la, do, mi, do, la, sol, fa, mi, do, ti, la. Okay. You get the joke now. Come on, that's it. Sounds cool, sounds awesome, okay? So guys, wherever you don't understand, make sure you hit on the comment section. I'm going to still do the breakdown, okay? And if you understand it very well, go ahead and practice this in your section, okay? All right, guys, see you in the next video. Bye for now.